Constantly active and noisy, breeding a large group or even in the other company of parrots or other non-eating birds. So approximately 70% of their day spent feeding, and they will travel more than 48 kilometers to find their food. Alright, so take your time, buddy. Alright, so thank you. Alright, so Sir Philip, can you please get your bird back, sir, and show it to the crowd, your money? Yes, sir, it's okay. So Sir Philip has 500 pesos. So all you have to do, sir, is just to fold your money into half 3 times on the same direction. 1, 2, and last fold, sir. Alright, and raise your right arm with your money, sir, like this. Again, just don't do an extra movement, relax, and don't touch our bird. Are you ready, sir? So we have another son. Can your name Sunny? Please come out, Sunny. Here you are, okay. So Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now let's see what Sunny will do. Come on, play the circle and get his 500 pesos. Thank you, Miss Debbie. Bye, Sunny, and goodbye, 500 pesos. Alright, so that's what you get if you're not with the last ball. So come here, sir, we're not yet done. So did you enjoy, sir? Yeah. Yes, so since you enjoy, let's do it again. So we have another 500. How about 1,000 pesos, sir? 100 pesos. Okay, sir, we're just joking. So, Sun is a very good bird and he is very kind. So, he will return back your money, okay? Okay, thank you. Again, stay on the side and raise your right arm and now open your mouth. Please. So, Sunny will return back your money. Just grab the money and not the bird, okay, sir? Alright. Sunny, please come out for the second time. Come on, buddy. Can you please return back his money? It's 500 pesos. Give it back. Good bird. Give it back. Say bye and thank you. Alright, thank you, Miss Debbie. Bye, Sunny. Thank you, sir. You can now take your seat. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Alright. So, from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil. Because we have here our most handsome tuka-tuka named Mr. Horn, together with our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aka. Hi, Mr. Horn. Say hi to them, buddy. Alright. So tuka-tuka is the largest of all toucan species. They have a black body and white mark on their throat that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. Alright, so toucans aren't that good at flying, so they spend most of their life hopping all along in the trees. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Mr. Agan has some roots and he will toss it to Mr. Horn and let's see how good he is at catching. Come on, buddy. What are you looking at? Okay. What are you looking at, buddy? Did you see something? Alright, so, come on. Good catch, alright. One more. Alright, so, their large and colorful bill makes them one of the most popular birds around the world. And also, they love to do sunbathing in the wild or in the rainforest. Alright, so Mr. Horn, right here. Go to Mr. Aka. Come on, buddy. So their lifespan in the wild, they can live for 25 years, while in captivity, they can reach up to 35 years. One more. Good bird, right. So toucans live in southern Mexico, Central America, northern part of South America, and the Caribbean. Wanna go home or wait, you wanna stay with us? Wanna go, buddy? Alright, so a round of applause for our most handsome tuka-tuka named